Standard 5th, Subject English, Lesson number 13, Be a Netizen. Before I start this lesson, dear children, I would like to give a short introduction related to this lesson. In the second part, we study that it tells us about the internet network, which is so large that millions of people around the world can use it at the same time. It also tells us how all the information is stored in the place on the network, which is called website. It guides us how to browse or surf, that is visit various sites on the net. The lesson further elaborating about various terms which is related to internet like update, online, offline, etc. It also explains the ways to download information from the internet for later use and also how to send information on the net. Dear children, this was a short introduction related to this lesson. I am going to continue the third part of this lesson. As you can see the subparagraph of the lesson, here I start. To send information on the net, you first need to get it ready on your computer in the way you want it on the net. So whenever you want to collect or you want to send the information, so first it is very important that you make your slide or whatever information ready on your computer in the way you want to present it on the net. You need a website. Now what is meant by website? As I told you, a website is a set of pages on the information on the internet which is have a particular subject which have been published by the same person or the organization. So you have to need to visit the website to display the information on the net. You can also get your own personal address on the net. You can receive the messages on this address and also send them. So dear children, once you has update your personal email address on the net, so through this email address you can receive the messages from the others, and through this address you can also send messages to your other friend also. So first, to receive and send message, you have to update your email address, as it is telling to you that you have to make your own personal address on the net. You have to first update your own personal address on the net. Through once you have update your email address on the network, so you can receive the messages from the others and you can send message to other people also. This system of sending and receiving messages or mail on the computers is known as email or electronic mail. So this system we call the messages which we are receiving from others and the message which we are sending to others, this system is known as email or electronic mail. This system we can only do when we are having internet and when we are having the email address. So proper email address we have to update on the net. Through this we will receive the messages and we can send messages to other also. Let's move to the next subparagraph of the lesson. An email address is short and unique. So the email address is very short and unique. Unique means extraordinary. So here it says that the email address is very short and extraordinary. No two email addresses are the same. And here it says that the two email addresses are not same with the addresses you get an account on the net. So here it says that the two email IDs are not same with the address which you get on the account on the internet. Your account is like your own letterbox. So here it says that you have created your account, it should be like your own letterbox on the net. The only difference is that you can use this letterbox not only for receiving mail but also for the sending it. So here it says that you have to create your account like a letterbox, and the only difference in that you can use this letterbox not only to receive the messages on the net but you can also send the messages to others also. So here it says that you can receive the messages through the mail and you can send the message through the mail to other people also. To that you have to create a letterbox through the internet. When you grow up you can get your own email account. So for that dear children, you have to wait, you have to little grow up so you can get your own email address. Through this email address only you can create your account on the internet. Let's move to the next sub paragraph of the lesson. You can lock this letterbox by using a password. A password is a secret word of group of letters and or a numbers. So whenever you are creating an email address on the net to keep your account safe, you can lock this box by using a password. So by using this password you can create your account safe. So how you will create your password? You can create your password by secret word of groups. For example, any password like your birth date, by any numbers, by any alphabet, you can create your password through the email box. So whenever you are going to open the email box, first it asks for the password, so your account would be safe. The computer will allow a person to use or see the account only when the person types the correct password. So once you have update your password through the computer, once you have put the password, so the computer will also, the system will also allow a person to use or see the account when he puts the correct password. Then only your account will open and you will able to see your account or messages. So that you have to put a correct password on that in your computer. Let's move to the next paragraph of the lesson. People who live in a city are citizens. People who use the net are the netizens. Would you like to be a netizen? So here it says the people who live in the city. Here the author ends with a question. So here he says that the people who live in a city are the citizens and the people who uses the net are the netizens. So here the author inquires whether he would like to be a netizen. So dear children, would you like to be a netizen? So here it given the merits and advantage of computer. Here it says how the advantage of computer are useful for us, so we should indeed become a netizen. So here the author says that definitely we should become a netizen because of this advantage of computer. It makes so useful for our daily life, so definitely we should be a netizen. Dear children, hope you all understood the third part of this lesson. Thank you.